So for the past less than a month ago, we've been starting doing podcasts on Subarus for the longest time. And we've been looking at the disadvantages, the advantages, what to buy, what not to buy when you buy used vehicles for Subarus. But we haven't been, talking about other vehicles here on the channel as well. And that's kind of what we've actually been doing. Well, the reason why we've actually changed the style for the video and we trying to change content, we changed the branding name of the channel to Driven Gears Automotive is actually just because we wanted to do some more high quality to our car content. That's why, we've been showing a lot with cars and stuff, but mostly Subarus. But doing this, we're gonna actually expand our horizons by looking at other people's cars, like one behind me, the 2007 Chevrolet Aveo. But this is going to be turned into a project car very soon because we're going to swap the 1.6 liter into a 2.0 liter turbo engine, which that's going to be coming up in the very near future. So yeah, like I say, if you guys want to see some really cool content about that, don't worry. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. This is Driven Gears Automotive. This is what we do. So we want to do high quality automotive content. We want to actually look at other people's cars other than talking about Subarus all the time. And don't get me wrong, we're still going to be doing Subaru podcasts every week, but kind of just in that style that we're going to do more high quality videos with other people's cars and all that stuff. We're going to do like photo shoots and high quality videos on racing and, just scenery stuff kind of. So that's it. If you guys want to see more of the car content, like more high definition, more high quality, if you think about it, listen, subscribe to the channel, Driven Gears Automotive. We are out at 326 subscribers right now, and like I said, they're gonna keep going. Let's just keep going with the subscribing, and we're hopefully we can get that up to 1,000 subscribers if you guys want to see some more high quality automotive content. Anyway, this is Driven Gears Automotive. I'll see you guys in the next video for some more car content very, very soon. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.